Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around here, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Very nice. Got about 18,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front bumper and grille's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really nice shape. Chrome accents right there, looks beautiful. Take a look at the lenses here in the front. Beautiful shape, top and the bottom. Really nice condition. Grille's in beautiful shape. Look at that. The other headlamp also in amazing condition. Take a look here. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Just have a tiny little chip mark right there. Take those fog lights on the bottom on both sides. Looks amazing. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Let's have a tiny little chip right there. Besides that, looks good. We're going to try to touch that up for you. Besides that, the hood looks amazing. Really beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. All right, now we're taking a look at the windshield. Windshield's in amazing condition. Super clean. Look at that. Looks beautiful. Not a mark on it. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side looks good. Very nice condition. Front door, driver's side, beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Amazing condition. Looks super clean. Quarter panel for the driver's side, also in beautiful shape. Nothing to show there. Super clean condition. Take a look at the rear bumper. Rear bumper's in nice condition. Does have a couple little marks here. You can see there. Nothing major. Besides that, looks good. Hatch is in beautiful condition. Looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Does have a tiny little touch up that was done there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, amazing condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. All right, we're taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the windshield on this side, also in beautiful shape. Nothing to show here. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Not a mark on it. No dents or scratches on it. Looks super clean. Very nice condition. All right, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We will be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. It's got a really nice accent there. Look at that. Really shiny, looks amazing. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls for the power windows, power locks. Very nice. Full power for the driver, looks amazing. Two-tone seat, looks very nice. Rugs are clean, full set of floor mats, very nice condition. Really amazing shape all the way through, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition, very nice. Passenger side door panel in the front looks amazing. Take a look at the armrest, beautiful shape. A little bit of storage down there, very nice. Take a look at the passenger seat. Really beautiful condition, very nice. Two-tone, looks super sharp. A little bit of piping there, looks very nice. Dashboard steering wheel is in great condition. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Does have a couple little marks here. Besides that, looks amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition throughout. Take a look at the armrest. Beautiful shape there. Take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Same thing, two-tone. Looks very nice. Full set of rugs. Looks amazing. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in clean condition. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seats, also in beautiful shape. Really nice. Look at this. Amazing condition. Super, super clean. Very nice condition. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT model. The vehicle's in beautiful condition. We're going to go ahead and start this one up. Key fob for it. Lock, unlock, remote start, panic. Super nice. We're going to set the key down here in the cup holder. All right, we're going to press the brake. It's got a push button start right here. So we're going to press the brake. We're going to push the button. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Super nice. GM products always have the gauges go all the way up and back down. That's showing that the gauge is working. Super nice. This one's really nice. It's got RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. Very nice. It's got a little trip computer there in the center. I'm going to go ahead and trick through those. So right now I'm using these buttons right here. So the trip computer's right there. Super nice. It shows you the speed, trip 1, trip 2, fuel range. That's a nice feature. Shows you how many miles till empty. That's nice to have. Instant fuel economy, average fuel economy, average speed, and the speed right there. Okay, so we'll go to vehicle now. In vehicle, it shows you the oil change, the air filter, tire pressure sensors, following distance, units, oil life remaining, and then that's econo mode. That's super nice. Look at that. So we're going to go ahead and leave it on miles per hour, which is super cool over here on this section there. All right, so let's take a look at some of the other features on it. So that's the controller for this here. You can speak your commands here. Here's another feature also on this side. This is for the gap, the collision alert in the front. So further away is better. This would be closer. So we like to have it further away regardless. It's better, safer. Cruise controls are right here. It's got a couple little buttons back here to change the radio stations and the volume. So those we're not going to use right now. We're doing the video. Up here on top is the lane alert thing here. It's right there. Traction control. And this is the bypass for the automatic engine off. So when that little light is on, it's actually off. So I'm going to go and press the button here if you can see that. Auto stop on, auto stop off. So we'll have that off for now. So pretty much this vehicle, when it's warmed up and good to go, if you're sitting at the light or whatever, the engine might cut off for a little bit to save fuel. Then as soon as you let go the brake pedal, it'll start right up and you'll keep going. AC and everything continues cooling. Everything functions, but it just saves a little bit of fuel. So that's the auto stop that you see right there. But it has a bypass button. If you want to bypass it, you don't like it, you can just press that button there and it bypasses it. All right, so automatic lights, super nice. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, also very nice. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Take a quick look at the steering wheel. Very nice condition. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the information center here for the radio and stuff. This is a really nice feature. So let's go to audio first, and then we can, that's what's on right now on the radio. If you click there, you could actually select AM, FM, XM radio, or Bluetooth. Bluetooth would be from your phone. Okay, so that's a nice feature. Let's go back home again. This is where you pair your phone. There's no phone paired right now, but you can pair your phone there. Wi-Fi settings, in case you guys are going to subscribe to that from OnStar. Settings for the system, you got your language, Wi-Fi settings there, display, sounds, preferences, language, all that good stuff. You got the apps. This one has the Android Auto app and the Apple CarPlay. So when you plug your phone in with USB, you could actually see everything on your phone, which is super cool. Let's go to vehicle. Look at that. Rear seat reminder, collision detection. Let's see the safety features. This one has front collision alert, front pedestrian detection. Then it has the seat reminder for the back in case you have a small child or whatever, you want to turn that on. For the lighting, the teen mode, valet mode. It's got a lot of features. And then we have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto here on the main screen. OnStar, you go like that. You can see your radio station here. You can see your phone connected there. Super nice. All right, let's go beneath here. Just take a look at the controls for the AC. So this one's not automatic. So you have here on this side is the fan. And take a look at it. It still has little stickers on it. Look at the little sticker right here. Isn't that cool? It hasn't been removed yet. And there's another little sticker right there for this one. So they're brand new. Nobody else has touched them. So we're going to leave them on there. Heated seat for the driver and for the passenger. Look at that. 3 temperature settings. This for the AC. I'm going to go ahead and bring down the fan a little bit. You can see the recycled air, front and rear defrost. Here are the other controls. Super nice. All right, down beneath here we have our USBs, 2 sizes. You have your auxiliary. You have your power plug there. It's got a little tray there for storage. And we looked at these buttons earlier for the lane alert, the traction control, and the engine bypass. Automatic transmission, super nice. This is the parking brake release. Super nice. Hazard lights are up here. On top here we have our courtesy lights. That's nice. And this you can set it up for when the doors open or whatever. OnStar buttons, passenger side airbag. Take a look at the visors with mirrors. Look good. Very nice condition. Dashboard and steering will look amazing. Let's take a close look here. Really nice condition. Looks beautiful throughout. Look at that. Very nice. It's got a little tray here. A little rubber piece in there. You can put whatever you want in there. It's got the set of books in there. Interior's in beautiful shape. Dashboard's in great condition. Seats are in great shape. Looks good. Very nice condition. It's got 18,000 miles on it, but it's in really nice shape. Liner's in good condition. It's got a little crease right there. Looks good overall. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. All right, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to take it for a little test drive here. Let's take it for a spin. Super nice acceleration. Feels good. Really nice. Coming up on the stop sign here. Stops on a dime. Very nice. Feels good. It is very smooth. Really nice drive. Okay, we've got another stop sign here. See that little alert there that just went off? There was a car in front of me slowing down, so it gave us an alert letting us know that there was traffic in front and we were getting too close to it. So we're going to go ahead and do a UE. Next step, we're going to go ahead and test out the backup camera, and then that's going to conclude our test drive. You can see there, fully functional, no issues at all. Drives really nice. Super quick. Another little stop sign here. Let's see, acceleration again. Here we go. this pickup. Drag's beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to test out the backup camera. Let's find a little spot here to back up and we'll test it out. Alright, so we're here. I'm going to place it in reverse. There you go. That's the backup camera there. It's got those lines that when you turn them, it actually turns whichever way the vehicle is going to roll back. So that's a nice feature there. Alright, so we're centering it now and going straight back. And catch our spot right there. Fantastic. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, that pretty much concludes our test drive now. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, the tires, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Beautiful condition back here. Rug is clean and in really great shape. Take a look for yourself. Very nice condition. It's got a little light there. Beautiful. A little bit of storage pockets on the side here. Really nice. Let's take a look beneath here. This is where the spare tires. Oh, look at that. Spare tire looks brand new. Very nice condition. Jack is mounted beneath the tire. Really nice shape. Looks super, super clean. Amazing condition here. Looks very nice. Those seats fold forward for more storage in case you got to put something big in there. Really nice. Amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in amazing condition. Take a look here. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Super, super clean. Looks amazing. Very nice. Beautiful shape throughout. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Take a look at the emission sticker on this one. Super nice. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Look at that. Front tire on the driver's side. Amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really outstanding condition. Looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side, amazing condition. Look at the tire tread on there. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Take a look. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. All right, take a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Tire's clean and in beautiful shape. Rim's in outstanding condition. Super clean throughout. Look at that. Very nice condition. Looks amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the front passenger side tire. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful tread on there. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. Really beautiful condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.